Hello, creative people. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive head first into a material that promises to be versatile, practical, and full of vibrant colors. The 60-color watercolor pencil from Faber-Castell. If you like today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. This box has 60 colors. It's a rigid cardboard box. It says it's watercolor, composed of pigments, binders, inert fillers, wax and wood from ecological areas. Non-toxic product, recommended for ages 3 and older. There's a warning not to immerse the pencil in water, and it should be stored in a cool place away from sunlight. Manufactured and distributed by Faber-Castell. Says it has super resistant tips. The colors come in this tab at the top of the box. Let's open it. The presentation of the pencils is super creative and beautiful. They come in a square of rigid cardboard that stands upright and organized on the workbench. This box has the pencil number, color and color representation written on it. Very cool. It also comes with a plastic brush with synthetic bristles, an aluminum tip and an EVA. There is a specific place to put the brush and it stays well organized. Look how beautiful this square organizer is. The pencil is very light, has a hexagonal body and a 3.8 mm lead. On the body it says that it is watercolorable, the color number and the brand. Because it has a hexagonal body, it does not roll around on the table easily. The manufacturer guarantees that the lead is super resistant and soft. Let's sharpen it. He managed to make a very fine point without breaking. I already made a color chart of this set of pencils. The colors are beautiful and very vibrant. It has a very interesting variety of colors. The colors have a wide range of tones, from the lightest to the darkest. I'll leave this table on my blog for anyone who wants to download it. The link is in the description. Let's test it. For this, I'll use the primary colors. The lead is very soft. The pigment releases easily on the paper and we were able to work the color tone gradient very well. In the color mixing test, I used yellow and blue and it formed green as expected. The pigment can be dragged between the colors to form a new color. In the layer test, it held up to 8 layers before waxing the paper. The white pencil, which for many is useless, for me, is a key player in blending between colors, so let's test it. It drags the pigment very well to the white part between the colors. This is great for making a point of light. Let's see how it works when watercoloring. I'm going to use a tank brush to help me. The blue watercolored well. Between the yellow and red, he watercolored and mixed the colors to form an orange and left almost no marks between them. Now I'm going to put the red and blue separately to see if the colors drag and mix with each other if we watercolor it. Perfect. Let's test it in practice. For that I'm going to color the Bobbies Good coloring book. Although the pages are not suitable for watercoloring, I think it can handle a watercolor pencil. You can find the review of this book here on the channel. I'll leave the link in the description. I colored this drawing with the Faber-Castell Super Soft Colored Pencil. I'll leave the link to the review of the Super Soft Pencil and how I colored this page in the description below. To help me paint, I'm going to put a support between the pages.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of home. I need you on my fire. I want you got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here. I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. The last one I think about.
There you have it. It was a true artistic adventure. What did I think? It really delivers what it promises. It has excellent coverage. The colors when activated with watercolor mix very well. The pencil lead is soft and doesn't tire the hand. After watercoloring, the colors lightened a bit. Notice how the colors blend smoothly and the details bring the painting to life. So what did you think? Leave a comment if you've used this pencil or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share with your artist friend and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you next time and thanks for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They are still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.